Dad.
Yeah, sweetie.
Can I show you something?
Sure.
My trailer has a sponsor.
Huh. Must be racehorses. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Damnator channel. In today's video, we're going to be comparing two different Cherry Bomb mufflers, the Cherry Bomb Vortex and the Cherry Bomb Salute. Now, these two mufflers are similar in design, but there are a few key differences between the two mufflers that should help them have their own unique sound. Alright, let's compare these two mufflers and see what makes them similar. Both mufflers feature a straight-through design. They're similar in size, and they're both reversible. And they're also a 100% welded construction. They also contain a packing material which helps deaden some of the sound. In the Vortex, you've got some high-temperature fiberglass, and in the Salute, you have stainless steel wool and roving fibers. Now, the difference between the two mufflers, although they are straight-through design, the Vortex has what Cherry Bomb calls a flow divider design. It essentially acts like, in my opinion, like a chamber. So it does have a little bit of a chambered sound, even though it is a straight-through design. The Salute is a straight-through design with a perforated pipe. And the Salute is made out of 409 stainless steel, whereas the Vortex is not. Okay, so these mufflers are similar, but yet they do have these key differences, and that does affect some of the sound output. The Vortex on the Cherry Bomb website is rated at 87 decibels at 2000 RPM, and they give it a sound level of a level 6. The Salute is a newer muffler in their lineup, so they don't have any of this data on their website. The only thing I can really compare it to is maybe the glass pack. With the Salute, it has a straight through tube with perforated sidewalls, just like the glass pack, and it's got the packing around that tube. So the glass pack, according to the website, is a sound level 4, and it has an 85 decibel level at 2000 RPM. Now, I can only venture a guess, since the body is a bit bigger on the Salute than it is the glass pack, that it's going to be a little bit quieter than the glass pack. Again, just an educated guess. So I'm assuming that this sound level is going to be somewhere between 3 and 4. So when we sound test the Vortex against the Salute, the Vortex should be a little bit louder. Well, I can stand here talking all day. Proof's in the pudding. Let's go throw these on the truck and hear for ourselves. you have it. There's a comparison between the Cherry Bomb Vortex and the Cherry Bomb Salute. Let me know in the comment section below which sound did you like better. Did you like the Vortex or did you like the Salute? In my opinion, I like the Vortex. I really like that hollow kind of chambered sound that this muffler puts off over the Salute. And I'm a little bit more partial to a louder muffler, so I do like the Vortex. It was in fact louder than the Salute, although the Salute does have a nice tone and rumble to it. So you really can't go wrong with either one of these mufflers. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're so inclined, and if you'd like to further support the channel, you can buy some of my Dan merch in the link in the description below. If you use coupon code DAN10, that's DAN10, at checkout, you can save 10% off of your order. I've got several t-shirt designs. You can get them in short sleeve, long sleeve, and hoodie. Plus, you can get some of these cool decals. And again, use that coupon code DAN10 at checkout and save 10% on your order. Well, that's going to wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Be sure and hit that like switch on your way out. See you next time.